Hey friends, if you wish to fix Ntdll crash error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on Run as Administrator, and then type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is to update Windows. Right click on the start button. Select Settings, go to the Windows Update tab and click on Check for Updates in the right pane. The last solution is a clean boot. So search for System Configuration in the Windows search bar and go to System Configuration. Go to the Services tab, check the box associated with Hide all Microsoft services. If any other service is checked, click on Disable All, Apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.